As software developers, we know that even the smallest vulnerability in our code can lead to significant security breaches. That's where CyEile's expert source code review services come into play. Our team meticulously analyzes your code, identifying potential weaknesses before they can be exploited. We leverage industry best practices and cutting-edge tools to ensure your software is robust and secure. Imagine the peace of mind that comes from knowing your application is fortified against threats. With our comprehensive reviews, you not only enhance your security posture, but also improve your code quality and maintainability. Investing in a source code review isn't just a precaution. It's a commitment to excellence in your development process. Let CyEile help you build software that stands the test of time, free from vulnerabilities. Strengthen your security today and focus on what you do best, creating innovative solutions.